Hello everyone, Sriram Kumar here. I have Rohit in front of me, and this person you would have seen him in a different video at least few days back, and he has done PMP already. Now into ACP Agile. I was just pulling him that after getting two certificate, you look more shiny. Okay, because the previous video, if you see, there'll be a different color. Now he is so glittering there. Then he said, "No, I opened one of the window there, lighting had." But still, when you get two certificate, the level of confidence is high. I see people getting more qualified. This they sit well in conference rooms. They are able to sit strong. That doesn't mean that they will overdo something. They just be very composed. They know what to say, what not to say. So I feel Rohit has got two certificate now that makes more confident for him on management and leadership. Could be of agile way or non-agile way, hybrid way, right? All comes together. Congratulations, Rohit. Wonderful achievement.
Thanks, Shriram. How much you are praising me, I should praise you. And this is only because of you. And I made a right decision in July, joining Shriram Learning, Shri Learning. And that gave me a good base in PMP. And while running PMP, I got attracted towards Agile. And immediately your class was starting. So it made me to choose that quickly. So I am here today. And I will give my credit to you and you along with me for this certification.
Great. That's a wise decision. Quickly it did because sometimes if you give too much of gap, it'll get diluted. Okay, let's do later, right? The gap should not happen because you learn portion of thing in PMP itself. Yeah, the agile part. Now, when it is a warm, make it happen. Just jump and do it. I'm seeing the format is working. In the recent ACP, we saw a bunch of people from PMP came there. So they are getting to the market now. Agile is important. They learn some agile in PMP, very depth in ACP, right? That's a point.
No, in our case, what happened, 17th was my exam and your classes were starting on 18th.
Yeah.
So 17th, myself and Raj Babu cleared and we were discussing. We were planning to go for this batch which you started yesterday. I'm supposed to join today this ACP class. Then thought of taking 1.5 month relaxation after reading such a PMP. But so happened that after PMP, one day I did not get a good sleep at all. I don't know why. I mean, that habit of reading, because I applied for 1 week leave. So I was reading for some 12-14 hours per day reading. So that made me so much head pain here. And I was feeling, okay, one day it took me to realize to come back to normal. So then there is a PM ACP. I attended your morning YouTube I was playing and your video was there. Then I felt, okay, Shriram has made this good morning classes, this one. I can take my family out in the evening. So they will not get bored. So let me, and also I and Raj Babu made a clear discussion, okay, how benefit this going to be. So then we felt, okay, let me join this and whatever is going to effort, let me put very quickly. And we had a clear target. 8th of November, we should take an exam because there are 5 holidays which is coming.
Right.
This time I need not to apply any holiday and I can sit and study in the holiday time.
Okay.
This worked out well because again, after PMI ACP, I had not like PMP because PMP I read so much. I got confused what I read and what is concepts in running my mind. Here you made it very simple. One book, read so many times, Mike Griffith. And I mean, that confidence, I mean, after the result, the confidence is very high.
That's true. That's true. I can see a good strategy framed here. Maybe after learning some certifications, we come to know how to approach. Now, I think you are very clear now what to do. I think this will give more confidence. Going forward, you would already plan for 2022. Your mind will tell, I'll do this in next 3-4 years, but your family won't allow you.
I'm searching what is there in the Shriram. You're right. My family, as far as next question is what next? No test in 2022. Yeah, I mean, they're really, I mean, worried because of so much, I'm not attention given to them.
Right. I have a lot of family people, their spouse are chasing for me to tell, kill this guy. He's the one make people to keep reading. This guy was very poor, normal guy, go to the job, come back home. We're living happily life. Suddenly this guy said top 2%, and this guy started reading heavily.
They envy on you. Whenever they tell our husbands are never listen to us, how come Shriram they're listening so much and reading? You're right. I mean, that way I should tell you because that spark you're really bringing in the people. I mean,
okay, that's really good. Let's all go and see the certificate. Here it is. And I'm so happy that you gave a thank note to Mike Griffith. So I really respect this person very much because he's given a wonderful content, right? We have to really appreciate that, the book, what he has given there, right? Worth it. And it explains well about the subject. And again, it's must needed now. A person starting very base level who don't know what is agile, for them also it explains. Somebody little advanced on agile, for them also it explains. So it's at both the level. So here's the certificate, and I specifically all the time will tell I like this color. This purple is, I don't know why my first PMP certificate was this color. Maybe because of that, I'm so attached to this color. Orange I like, but still more than that, purple is so good for me. That's the original PMI color. They use this color.
Yeah. I mean, this is the two reasons, Sriram. One is you always tell this whenever I see success videos. You tell that this purple color, you like it. Then I thought, let me have one more purple color with me. And if you see my I mean, what I put in my LinkedIn, this time I ensured one is you, one is Mike Griffith, one more is Rahul, and one more is Sri Learning. These four people really helped me in getting this certification. I made it very crisp and clear.
I saw that.
I mean, this time it was really, I mean, this synchro, I mean, this is a sequence I can also tell you one after the other, because you motivated us, and Mike Griffith book gave us real crisp, and this book is awesome. I could say, I mean, none of the book will bring to this quality and this clarity. And Rahul, and again, Sri Learning team.
Right. And on top of that, I like him. He takes time to come back and congratulate people. Right. So nice person there. Good, nice. So we have good people around in the community. That's one thing I like it. In this leadership and management community, in the last few years, I'm in the training industry. I found people don't take it that only I have to win. People allow to see others winning. I think that's a good nature we see here. Let this continue spread across that too, specifically country like which you call as a developing, underdeveloped, like Africa, coming back to India. These are the places we have a high potential, but for some reason we didn't do it for a long time. Now it's, I think doors are opening. I'm pretty happy that we are doing it. Super good, great. So now I'm sure you gave a lot of hint earlier itself in the PMP interview that you read PMP with Agile as well. But coming to ACP, I'm sure you have to go 1 or 2 steps forward. You cannot take it for granted. I know Agile well in PMP, I can go and write ACP directly. You have to put some efforts. So what kind of efforts you have to plan for this preparation?
Yeah, I mean, effort started with asking a study plan from Rahul. And that was clearly nicely put because of the date which we have considered. And I took this Mike Griffith, I read it once very thoroughly. And after that, what I did this time different is I took your presentation. Because this time you are not telling me any book to read. Only one book I should read. How much I can read. Then I felt it, okay, let me Google it. What is there in your Drive? Then Drive, I found your presentation you have put for free for us. That presentation I took every week. I'm ensuring at least twice I'm going through that presentation.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Because that is making me, I am clear with the concept, what you are telling me. And whatever your class you are taking us, that majorly I am covering. Then I made a matrix. A matrix in the sense, okay, I need to write Mike Griffith, I need to write Agile Practice Guide. Then after that, your presentation. Then daily question I need to answer. Then I need to take my weekly test, and ECO I need to write it. At least in a week, twice I should read ECO.
Okay.
This is how I made a matrix, and day wise I put it. Every day which I am doing, I was taking it.
Very good.
And writing habit. This writing habit, first I felt it. One day India-Pakistan match was there. I utilized that to write our ECO.
Oh man, that's why India didn't play well. You should have watched a match.
Then immediately next day, it was paining so much here. Because I sat and I wrote that ECO for 25 pages. Then I felt it, okay, this is too much I have done this time. Okay, let me read through. Then this is how I put it across myself. Because this time there is no such a huge book to read. And
syllabus is less.
Syllabus is less, and I mean, we need to practice more. And one more interesting finding I found it that PM training 1000 question wala book you have put there internally again in this.
Right.
I felt that is very useful. 21 sets of question were there, 40 question.
Bunch of questions.
And I felt every day, every weekend, I used to answer 6. That is around 240 questions. I used to answer that way. I covered that 21 also.
That's good.
This time I had a time, lot of time I had. So because of PMP preparation made me,
nice.
So I was getting time. So that's how I covered it. I was okay with concepts. I was getting good score repeatedly. And I know, I mean, because first I thought, let me read that head first, because you also showed us you can, but later I found it, I can't take so much because of a mechanical engineer and this XP and all. I mean, let me put you, this comes 16 questions. Let me concentrate on other things, which I am very strong. So
okay.
This is how I just made my plan for this
nice.
PMI ACP.
Looks good. Looks good. And also you practiced your mock exams, full exams, and in Sri Learning, you got some good scores there. While practicing, did you found that some of the questions are a little tricky? Because in Agile, when you practice in PMP, could have been little lightweight, or when you went to main exam also, it would have been lightweight. Whereas when you practice for ACP, did you found it's going 1 or 2 level down?
See, one thing happened with Sri Learning to me. Once, first time when I took the test, I was scoring less. When I started reading more and more this Agile practice guide and Mike Griffith, my scores are increasing. So you are covered. I mean, as rightly you were telling us during PMP time, the PMI ACP also, you make us concept clear. Taking your test weekly or daily and also a bigger test, make us our concepts clear. Whether we have read all the statements, the particular statement we are able to understand, and writing habit, all this will make more and more sharper.
Perfect.
So
Perfect.
I could tell like that. I mean, I could put across like that.
Great. That's good. I really want to appreciate that you took effort to read and practice. Don't take it for granted that I know things, man. I've done with PMP. I don't think that PMI is okay. I know you guys, let me hit you. Rather properly practice and go. Right. That's
no, for that I have one funny story. This Alice, no, that lady who got passed, she was scoring 93%. I was confused. I mean, she was repeating, I think, whatever question is there, she is able to replicate. So right. such a fluency she had, I could really say 93 percentile. I mean, or right. average test she was scoring.
Right.
That lady itself has told in success story, this test is ACP is a little bit scary for me. Then I got a hint, something is going to be there. I mean, in the exam. This is not so straight. So that's the reason we were making very clear. Myself and Rajbabu this discussed so many times. I was making very clear. I will read maximum effort. I will put for ACP. I will not take for granted. And this brings out true to me when I took the exam. 45 minutes. I was in shock. What is happening here?
Really?
Because all your Shriram test, I was able to complete this 180 questions in 90 minutes. And your 40 questions weekly test, I used to do it in 20 minutes. And all 5 questions and all 2.5, 3 minutes. This is my speed. So speed I was going. In that, once I went to this exam, I was in little bit confusion. What is happening here? Because Rajbabu took exam before to me. We had a short discussion. I think I told you this. We had a short discussion and I sit for the exam. Before going, I made up my mind. Okay, let me divide this into 4 quadrants. So 135, 90 and 45 and 0. Within 45 minutes, at least leaving 45 minutes, I should close this exam. This was my target. So, I mean, you don't believe me, with 45 minutes, I was having 30 flagged question with me.
Oh man, out of 45, 30.
And 45 minutes left for me and 30 questions were flagged for me.
30 flagged.
Like that. Yeah, 30 flagged. Because why 30 flagged question is, neither I was sure I was selecting the right answer, because 2 answers were looking very straight to me.
Okay.
And few question English were really need to be read for second time. And this made me, it dragged me until 23rd minute. That is only 7 minutes 33 minutes, 7 minutes were left for me to close my exam. So this was my case.
I understand. So don't take it for granted. You can hit
Never.
agile. Agile, you have to be a little careful.
Yeah,
Okay.
you mean your practices make us more confident,
Mm.
Shriram. I mean, the way you give us the boundary condition, that is
Mm.
enough for preparation. But
Mm.
taking the exam is a real battle. This is India-Pakistan match only for me. I was not sure what is happening, how pitch is behaving, and what is happening that day. Because,
I
yeah, I
know.
mean, they had a good bunch of questions.
Mm.
Their testing ability is good. That is what I could say. I mean, the questions were coming all of a sudden.
Mm.
Second time, you need to read to understand what really they are asking, question itself.
I
And
understand.
answer, again, you need to read for 2 more time.
I
So that is the
understand.
reason usually time takes more. Uh, yeah, the
Okay.
question level standard is really good in PMI ACP.
Makes valuable thing. I'm hearing that the ACP standard is really going high going forward, because I know I heard exams 2 years back. I did in 2017. I had a challenge by the time 2017. 2017, I was just mugging the content in the book, trying to see as much agile I know. That one person said that, Shriram, this exam is not just in the book. These people are asking more of conceptual. You should be conceptually strong. You should be very much good at the 12 principles basics. Then you can address it. When I went to the exam hall, I felt it. It's all situation, all a situation. But even that was better those days. But last 6 months or 8 months, I'm hearing people are telling questions are a little tricky. It is not so straight. It's a little tricky there. You have to be a little cautious. If not, you lose it. So I'm hearing the same from you. Superb. So anyway, that's a valuable input for the people who are preparing for exams. So My Griffith is a good book to read. Agile Practice Guide is a good book to read. And take notes out of this book. Listen to the classes. Take some bullet points from there. Practice exam. Evaluate properly where you are missing the scores and keep improving. Right. Whatever you do, if you go to main exam, definitely it's a thriller. Because
it is a really, I mean, you have put it across rightly, Sriram, because this is a nice thriller movie. I mean, that the confidence level now, I mean, whatever you had with you, that they will hit you very properly on your face. So in the first itself, that took me, frankly, I'm telling you, my speed was 45, initial 45 questions. I took it around 30 minutes, I think. Next, when I saw back, next 45 question, I took easily more than 60 minutes.
Oh.
So I was confused what is happening sometime. Whether this question is relating to value delivery is asking, whether it is a continuous improvement is asking. Because in I was never, I mean, seen that, okay, some questions of what is that, agile planning was so much confused to me that happened in exam only. I was writing, I was understanding, okay, this comes first or is this comes first? That was the dilemma I had. So that's the reason I flagged more. My idea was to not to flag not even single question. I did not do for PMP.
Okay.
Here, you would have not imagined 30 questions I flagged, and I was, after 7 minutes leaving, I was thinking I will not read again. I will fish. Whatever happens, let me put me and let me see what is my fate.
God, man, it's so good to hear that PMI standard is really getting higher and higher, which makes us to read properly, read more well, right? A well, really qualified person can clear it. Just like that, somebody cannot clear. That's a message. Okay. Once PMP used to give this thrill. Okay. Why I'm telling once, because last 8-9 months, we know the intensity has slightly come down. But I keep telling people, don't underestimate PMI. It won't take much time for them. Just slightly screw it, they'll increase it.
I'll tell you one example. I will not disclose many things because as a PMI ethics.
You should not.
One question looked to me saying that somebody is organizing an event and he is contacting team and he is asking for a new requirement. So you should add it in a backlog was a one answer and one more was an answer. I read it, hey, this is the right answer. Then immediately second time when I read it in a flagged one, I understood you should not contact team. You should contact the, I mean, either the servant leader or the product owner. You should not disturb the team. That was the question. First time I was simply going, okay, in the flow. That was one, I mean, that is one example. I just wanted to quote it. This is how the standard was. I never expected that should happen.
Nice. Good to know. It means that you have to have a full essence of what is agile. You have to, they call us being agile, doing agile. So you should be a person being agile. Then only you can answer the question. If you just mug up the content, I'm sure it's tough.
Example, you were giving us examples in the classes, how this burn down chart work. Okay, you will tell us burn down chart should be like this, you draw. And practically this will vary, velocity will vary. But usually in normal case, it does not happen. Everybody sit in the last day and they will make it slope.
Right.
Okay. This concept, if you are sitting in the exam, you will realize why you are telling it. Because they have put across such a question where burn down chart, I got confused for the first time. Whether the question will be framed like this. So this is the standard they have put in. They have come to a norm. I mean, normal day-to-day activities, they are also able to understand.
From there, they ask a question.
From there, they frame a question, and that question will make you think on answers. And also it ensures you'll do the wrong answer because such attractive answers were there. Answering.
They'll give one correct answer. They'll give one answer very close to correct answer. You will feel like, wow, maybe this. They'll tempt you.
Such a temptation was there for me in entire 180 question, I tell you. I think 2 questions I had a straight question. Apart from that, not even a single question was a...
For happiness of you, they given 2 questions. that may be a pre-test question.
I'm really thinking, I mean, that is not out of 100. I might be 120 out of 120 might be.
By the way, did you took break in between the exam?
Yeah, I took it. That's the reason I chosen center based because anyhow, last time also I told you my place is nearer to center.
Yeah.
I can easily go. And
so exam is 3 hours. So 1.5 hours you took a break. How was it?
Yeah, I planned it at 90th minute only because it is my time is consuming here. So I mean, immediately I ran to the restroom and I took some chocolate and water. That break was necessary for me because I told you, no, after 90th minute, something was running in my mind. What is happening with this test?
like Alisha said, middle of the exam, am I in the ACP exam or something else?
It makes you that thrill. I mean, that thrillness is there. I mean, whatever this Alisa Nagasmita said, I truly watch for it. I mean, I was having that because Nagasmita is anyway our batch of PMP and she cleared it so fast and she was telling the same thing and Alice was telling same thing. So I found it, something is tricky here. I mean, we need to be prepared more. You're right. I mean, that kind of feeling will come. But I mean, your writing habits really helped us, although we were a little bit hesitant in the beginning. And later when we started writing, now I can easily tell you 12 principles and I can tell you all this by sitting. So that is one, I mean, apart from this certification, I really loved being in Sri Learning. That is what I try to tell you always, because the way you make us mold, I'm very happy for that.
Thanks for that good words. Definitely, it's helping many people. Subhab, thanks for it. First, I want to give a thank you for coming up here. Really interesting to talk to you, listen to you. Positive notes are there. And I'm sure you have to give a thank to your family who helped you for 2 certifications, right? And better don't try anything next 2-3 months. Keep quiet. You have to be with your family, spend time with them. Then next year, middle of that, you have to start trying something.
You are absolutely right. I should especially thanks to my entire family. They were bearing me all these days. Right. Not even a single minute I given them the importance until my agile. So much of work I pushed. You don't believe, Sriram. Now they are telling me every day, reminding me. This you told me after ACP exam. This you told me after ACP exam. And, all these are happening now. I'm also planning the same thing. 2021. This is enough. This is a good year for me. Right. Next year, I will look into your Shriram learning calendar. What is there for me? I will truly be happy to associate with you. And whatever I want to take it, I want to take it in the next year.
Sure, nice. So happy that I love the trust what you have on us. So keep rocking more and start applying what you learned because agile leadership is highly expected in the market. It's not about the scrum or stand up. It's not about the planning review. It's about the mindset. How do you behave with people? How polite you are? How you find the best thing out of them. There'll be one person bugged in the team telling that this guy is useless, may not be useful for the team. But when you encourage them in a right way, when you empower them, that person will turn as a Johinda Sharma in the last over, win a World Cup from India. So we don't know who it is. So India has witnessed good leadership in some of the sports events. So I think it's right time for us to pick up that skills and show to the people we are capable of doing, right? That's what I'm trying to see from the people. So everyone has a potential. And I do see you are coming from big organization, a lot of experience in an organization like that. Now you start showing that leadership skill. That's important. Great.
Definitely, Shriram. Thanks for that. Thanks for your, all the inputs and whatever. Your classes are really, I'm missing now in a weekends.
I know. It's become a habit to sit and listening, but sometimes now it's for your family and you have to sleep for some time. It's more you guys worked out. You and a couple of people, I see that you guys work last 3-4 months crazy. Enough. Take rest and come back again.
Definitely, Shriram. Thank you very much. Thanks for all your support.
Right. All the best. And all the viewers who are watching this, this is for PMA-ACP Agile exam. I know people are telling it's a little tough, but at the same time, it's possible. Don't be scared of it. There is a way of preparation. At the same time, you have to be a little careful because PMI standard is a little high. You have to improve your language, improve your understanding ability. Bookish person, little tough. You have to be a concept person, then you will clear. PMI is always concept, nothing book.
Yeah, I wanted to tell that thing. Yeah, rightly. You are good in this complete moderation. I will tell you, I remembered when you were telling me this. The last day of the class, you told us how to remember these 12 agile principles. Mm-hmm. This was, we did it in my school days, but whatever you remembering us then made me so happy on that day. You told you can't remember all 12 in the sequence straight away. You practice 1, 3, 5, 7 sequence first, 2, 4 sequence later. That was so good input. You will never forget if you practice like that. So that small hints only Shriram can give. That's the reason you need to come to a Shriram class. And whatever such a things we learned it, that is really, I'm very happy. The way, learning these things and writing habits. Now I can say what is lean wastage. What are the values of Kanban, all this. So this is writing made me.
I think when you go to office conference meeting, you'll keep throwing points. Those guys will be, where is getting it?
It so happened after my Agile certification, next day was Agile classes and my training was in my class thing. And I was so sure what is values, principle and all, but I kept quiet. I don't wanted to show anybody that, okay, I am a superstar here. I kept quiet. I told him, let me, you do, I will listen. Now I listened about Shriram. I know how Shriram teaches us. Now you teach the teachers. I will listen. So this was, that was a real difference I could see.
Nice.
What example.
Nice to see that. Good. Keep rocking. All the best. And thanks for being here, Rohit. I want to see you keep winning more.
Thanks, Shriram. Have a nice day.
Great.